Fire at the Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 7 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 7 TV News Report. Firefighters are at the Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts in St. Andrew, where a fire of unknown origin broke out at the institution on Friday morning. Reports are that about 9:30 a.m. an alarm was raised after smoke was seen coming from a section of the college grounds. Sources report that several students who were in classes had to make a hasty retreat after the fire alarm was raised. 3 units are now at the location trying to extinguish the blaze. We'll have an updated report to come on this in a later newscast.